We're cooking insanely delicious Brazilian-style cinnamon pineapple and spicy chorizo sausages. Whether you're hosting a big summer barbecue or just grilling for fun, these two dishes are sure to steal the show. Before getting your hands sauced in pineapple juices, grab a bowl and mix up 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 4 tablespoons of sugar. This blend will give our pineapple a caramelized, almost candy-like finish. Grab the skewers. Remember, wood catches fire, and we don't want a mini bonfire happening while we are grilling. Grab a ripe one. Now, how do you know it is ripe? Simple, just pull on a leaf. If she pops out easily, you're in business. You've got yourself a ripe pineapple. If not, well, maybe save it for a couple more days. Now, let's break this pineapple down. First, chop off the top and bottom. Then, slice off the skin. You can cut out the core as it's fairly tough to chew through. But most say these fibers are really good for your gut health. If you are up for a more authentic experience, keep it in. Once you've got that golden beauty all sliced up, insert your wet skewers into the pineapple about 3/4 of the way. You don't want to stab all the way through, otherwise they will start sliding around when you flip them on the grill. And trust me, flipping runaway pineapple is like trying to catch a fish with your bare hands. Don't be shy. These slices need to look like they just got rolled through the dust storm. One side doesn't get all the love while other side feels neglected. Now, onto the grill they go. Place on high heat and get them nice and cozy on the grill. We are aiming for about 3 to 5 minutes, flipping them every minute. Yes, every minute. This helps caramelize those sugars evenly and makes sure, and heads up, your grill has hot spots. Some areas are like the supernova of heat and others are like a pleasant summer day. So, keep an eye out. Look at those char marks. That's the caramelization we're after. We're talking a beautiful balance between the sweetness of the pineapple and the smoky char from the grill. The sugar is getting all gooey and golden. It's like dessert, but you can eat it with the main course. Time to take them off the grill. You guys wish you could smell this through the screen, don't you? It's like a tropical vacation on a grill. Pineapple is doing its thing, so now it's time to add a little heat to the mix. Let's spice things up with some Brazilian-style spicy chorizo sausages. These bad boys are packed with flavor and just the right amount of heat to make your barbecue unforgettable. Toss those sausages on the grill. We are gonna let this cook for about 10-15 minutes. You want to flip them occasionally to get that nice even char all around. And remember, if one side is cooking a little faster, just move them to a cooler spot. Think of it like giving them a little break. When it comes to chorizo, you want to make sure they are fully cooked, but not overcooked. You want a nice crispy skin, but the inside should still be juicy and full of all that spicy, flavorful goodness. If they start splitting open a little, don't panic. That's just the sausages saying, I'm ready. Get me off this grill before I get angry. What I said about the grill being hotter in some spots? Yes, the sausages know that too. Alright, everything is ready. Look at that spread. You've got cinnamon sugar pineapple, all caramelized and smoky and spicy, chorizo sausages with that perfect char. If this isn't a barbecue feast, I don't know what is. Wow, this pineapple is something else. Sweet, smoky, and that heat of cinnamon, it's like having dessert before dessert. And let me tell you, this pairs perfectly with the spiciness of the chorizo. There you have it, Brazilian-style cinnamon, pineapple and spicy chorizo sausages, cooked to perfection. If you try this out, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will never miss out on more grilling greatness. Like and subscribe!